and I just had my first wild bird rescue.
It looks like he's got blood in his beak.
Hello my beautiful YouTube friends! Kumusta po kayo? How are you all doing today? I am so hungry. So, before I completely actually pass out, I'm gonna have a couple of spoonfuls first. But before that, come and join me, get something to eat guys. And let's just fill our stomach. I am feeling dizzy, so hindi ako makakoncentrate masyado. Anyway, I have here sinigang na salmon, since I'm just by myself. My husband doesn't eat sinigang na salmon. I've got rice and then patis with lots of chilies. Can I just have a bit of... Oh my god. I am dying to have sinigang. I've not had sinigang for ages. Right. I put talong in here. And then obviously some salmon. Very little salmon really. I put cabbage and kangkong. My husband came home last night with kangkong. He said he popped into a Chinese shop and then he bought me kangkong. But actually I wanted him to buy me laing, because I wanted to make ginataang laing. So I said taro leaves, but he has no idea. Anyway, let's put more sabaw. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. Come on, Pickle, if you want to eat. Yeah, there's a lot more. I don't know where to start. Yeah, that's my dog. I can hear your footsteps. You're coming this way, aren't you? Oh, I suppose that's a mouthful. Let's see how spicy this is. Kain po tayo. Mm. 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 My god. I've not had talong for ages. Let's have a bit of chili. I've got still housework to do. But I thought I have to eat because I'm feeling a bit dizzy. I cannot concentrate. I'm dropping everything in the kitchen. Mm. Mm. Oh, that chili is nice. I can't talk yet. Need to eat first. Did I have breakfast? No, I didn't have breakfast. Oh, sorry, I lied. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I just had crunchy nut. Very little and coffee because it's been raining. It's like stormy again. Mm. 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 Yummy. I have a story for you guys. Yesterday, I had so much housework to be done, including feeding the plants. I had a couple of hydrangeas that I've ordered. It came yesterday. I was going to replant it. But I ended up not doing it because I was so stressed. And I just had my first successful wild bird rescue. I had, oh my goodness, I was scared. I was sad. I was scared because I didn't want this bird to die on me. Just the day before, yesterday, we found a bird outside in a bucket. We have a bucket filled with water, but there was a jug in it. And my husband woke up Saturday morning and he saw that there was a bird floating. I think the bird drowned. Perhaps it tried to drink water, but it drowned because it went under the bucket, the jug in the bucket. Is it dark? Yeah, yung tabo sa bucket, sa balde. I think the bird perhaps went under there and then it died. And I was so sad. I could cry that morning. So we buried it in the garden. And yesterday, I found a bird somewhere in the front garden. And my dog was supposed to, Vicar was going to pick it up. I said, no. Luckily, I heard it flapped. I tried to catch it. And I was telling the dog, don't do it. So he stops. I went on the other side. It flapped again. It was panicking. It was a stressed bird. But I had the main door open. So when I tried to catch it, it went and flew inside the house. But I noticed that it wasn't able to fly high enough. It went inside my house and I had to rescue it. As you can see in this clip, it went under my TV stand. I got a bird that came in my house. What's the matter? You injured? Hey? I need to catch you. I think
I
you're
was
injured.
determined that this bird is not going to
broke
die
your-
on me and I'm going to try and rescue it.
Come on, baby.
I've heard people,
Oh,
rescue
oh
birds,
dear.
injured bird, but I had no idea. I've never done it before.
It's okay. It's alright.
So I was determined that
It's alright.
this bird is going to survive, so I was a bit nervous.
Oh, you look injured.
And because I was so nervous, I didn't know what to
Blood in his
do.
mouth. Oh dear.
I went and called my husband. And he was driving.
Babe, I found an injured bird in the garden. The pickle nearly picked up, but when I was trying to pick it up, it flew inside the house in the front door, and here it is. What am I gonna do with it?
Hello, mate.
It,
Hello, buddy.
it looks like it's got blood in his beak.
So he advised me of what I already thought I should do anyway, but I thought I'd give him a call, see what he thinks. So he said call RSPCA. Excuse me. It said, ring this number. My husband said, perhaps they have somebody that driving past near you and they could pick it up. So I said, okay. I rang the phone and I went.
Good afternoon, RSPCA.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm calling from and I just found a bird in my garden and it looks like
I'm going to stop you there and give you a different number
Oh, I'm so sorry. Somebody just sent this number to me.
Yeah, are you ready?
Yes, please.
I'm like, oh no, I was so embarrassed. I said, oh, I am so sorry. Oh my god, I am loving the kangkong. Gulay is life. Really, gulay is life. You know why I had sinigang today? Because last night, silly me, I've been watching some of well, a lot actually. A lot of Angelique Ashley Tolentino's old mukbang, like few months back. And then my tummy starts to rumble. I had to force myself to sleep because I had to get up early. Anyway, so because of that, thank you, Ashley. I will put her link on the description box below, guys, and you can subscribe to her channel. She is a Filipino mukbang channel that's based in Taiwan. Her and her everything. She calls him everything. Christian. So, hello, guys. Anyway, so as my story goes, the lady on the phone gave me a number, said phone this one, so I did, but I could understand, you know, why there's nobody there actually to speak to you, like, you know, a person on the other line, because it's a very busy, they're only run by charities, so they're probably short of staff as well because of what's going on. But anyway, I wasn't able to speak to anybody, but it was automated one, and then press this, press that, press this, press that. So I did. Eventually, the other line said, if it's an injured bird, a wild injured bird, you can take it to your local vet. So I'm like, oh great, take it to a vet. But by the time we get to the vet, it's probably dead, because it's a stressed bird. That after I caught it, I put it in a bucket. Actually, it's a rubbish bin. So I got rid of all the papers in it, and then I put the bird there, and I covered it with a garden sieve. It's one of those salaan ng lupa. It's a sieve, and I put it there so I could see. And the poor bird, when I put it there, it was like tumbled forward, doink, and it was like on his face. And I thought, oh my god! And then I shook it a little bit, and then it went like doink. And it was rolling back into. I'm like, oh my god, this bird is dead. Oh, and I thought, oh, I could cry now. But anyway, can't take this to the vet. I said, by the time it gets there, it'll be dead. Because when I phoned my husband again, he said, well, try and phone the vet. Perhaps they have somebody that could pick it up nearby and then take, you know, the bird to them. So I did, and the vet said, her suggestion was, why don't you ring this wildlife help near you? I said, okay, and she gave me a number. She said, this is the number, this is the name of the rescue center. And I did. I felt, you know, I felt like I'm being tossed like a ball, which I wasn't getting anywhere. So in the end, this lady said that she is about an hour away from me. She said to me, if you're just nearby, I can come and get it for you. I thought, oh, okay, mind you, it's 1 hour away drive. I thought, oh, I was so frustrated. After all the phone calls I made, I just listened to what my husband said, put him to, because these people I spoke to, they can't even, They didn't even tell me what I'm supposed to do as a first aid, and I have no idea what I'm doing. After all that, I listened to what my husband said. So I searched online, and it says an injured wild bird can actually get stressed so bad that it could die from the stress. So I'm like, oh, so that's what I did. I covered it. I put him in this bin, and I covered it with, this is a sieve, a garden sieve, so you can see through it. But then I covered that one so that he rests properly, because it's slightly dark. I don't want him to panic too much. Put it in the bedroom because it's cooler there. And I thought I'm gonna check every now and again. I left a little bit of food in it and water just in case he wants to drink. But then eventually I can see that he's perking up, you know. So I thought, well, this is a good sign. It's quite promising. So around 4 o'clock, by this time the bird had been resting for a good 3-4 hours. Oops, sorry. So I phoned my husband. I said, I'm planning checking if the bird is able to fly. I said, I'm just going to put the bucket outside and see. I said, by the looks of him, it looks like it's actually more alert, more perky, more... I said, look, if it doesn't fly high enough, then I might just have to recapture it. But deep inside, I was praying, oh, please be okay. Don't die on me. So, I would cry and I wouldn't know what to do. I'd be really upset if it dies. My dog knows something was going on.
What are we gonna do without birdie?
All those times he was sat by me. It's like just cuddling. I couldn't concentrate on what I wanted to do because I was so worried about the bird. So at 4 o'clock I thought, I'm not going to wait for it to be too late, because if it's too dark I might not be able to fly safe. Mind you, here in the UK, because it's summer, it doesn't get dark until around 9 o'clock. So I said to my husband, I'm just going to try. He said, are you sure? Do you think it'll be okay? I said, I think so. Well, I'll keep my fingers crossed. And I said, if it doesn't, I'll be really upset. So I set up the camera. I thought, let's see what happens. I opened it. Didn't fly straight away. And I thought, oh my God, is he alright? I think after a few seconds, probably 30 seconds,
Oh, yes, he's gone. Yes, oh my God.
it flew away and it went right over the camera, over the gate, the fence, and then the neighbor's conservatory. I thought, oh my God, I could cry. Whew, that was a success. So I phoned my husband. I was almost in tears. Oh my God, I was so relieved. He said to me, oh my God, you should see your face. So I had my very first successful wild bird rescue. Yes, hello, I could hear you, Pickle. and the outcome was fantastic. I feel a bit better. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button, please, please, please. You know you want to. Click subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Momshie Babes and Angelique Tolentino. They're on their way to 10k. Let's cheer them both for that. And they're gonna, Ashley said she's gonna do a giveaway when that happens. So I'm gonna put both of their link down below. And thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope you are all safe wherever you are. Stay safe, stay positive, just stay happy, and be very vigilant and extra careful. Look after yourselves, and I will see you on the next one. God bless you all. Bye.